Hello and welcome to Consumer Finance iPhone and iPad application by Business Compass LLC. This application covers a wide range of financial analysis for home loans, for car loans, leases, and for student loan. This application is also available on Android as well as BlackBerry platforms. So it covers auto loan, let's see, amortization, comparison, lease versus buy, hybrid break-even point, what if analysis. Then there is a college finance, amortization, comparison, consolidation. Then there is a home loan finance, um, affordability, amortization, APR, balloon payment, comparison, cost, duration, qualification, and what if analysis. To learn more about this, please visit us at businesscompassllc.com. And this application again is available on Android, BlackBerry, in addition to the iOS platforms. Thank you very much. Hello and welcome to College Finance iPhone and iPad application by Business Compass LLC. My name is Srivatsa Das. I am the founder of Business Compass LLC. I have the great pleasure to walk you through the comprehensive college finance application, and this is very useful to the college aspiring college going students, their parents, as well as college tuition fee and loan administrators. The functionalities are as follows: amortization, comparison, compare two or more loans, consolidate student loans, perform what if analysis. So let's take a look at the amortization. We enter the data input, say 75,000 loan, term is 25 years, interest rate is 5%. So we are making 24 payments a year, that means two payments per month, and we are making $100 extra. So here it is 25 years. So we, after we enter the data, here the summary, and you can actually print and email the result. And here is the detail year over year, and then here is a pie chart of the interest and the loan, and here is a line graph, the three series line graph: total paid, total principal paid, and total interest paid. Now on to comparing loans. You can compare two or more loans just to see which one better suits you. So loan term is 30 years, interest rate is 5%. Here is one case, another is same thing. So interest rate is 6%. So here is the comparison of the two loans, and here is the comparison of the monthly payments, and here is a comparison of total payment versus total interest. Now we are interested in student loan consolidation, say 75,000 at 5% rate, and now another 80,000 at 80,000 at 6% interest rate. So this is the consolidated loan amount, and this is the consolidated interest rate. And now what if analysis. In case you have data about the three variables, you can actually calculate the third variable. So here is the monthly payment, say 795.49, and we want to calculate the interest rate, and this is how we can calculate. Say we want to calculate the term of the loan. Here we can calculate the term of the loan. Say we want to calculate the principal amount. Here is how we can calculate. Okay. So as you can see, this is very useful for loan analysis, what if analysis, and loan consolidation. To learn more about us, please visit businesscompassllc.com, and this application is available on Android and BlackBerry platforms as well. Please visit us at businesscompassllc.com. Thank you very much. Hello and welcome to Car Finance iPhone and iPad application by Business Compass LLC. My name is Srivatsa Das. I am the founder of Business Compass LLC. I have the great pleasure to walk you through the functionalities of this application. This application enables the car buyers, sellers, dealers, and the ones interested in leases to perform a variety of calculations such as the amortization, comparison, lease versus buy, hybrid break-even point, and what-if analysis. Let's take a look at the amortization, MSRP, and sales tax, title and registration, say, cash rebate, down payment, trade-in value, and amount owed is zero. So term is 5 years, and say 24 and $100 extra. Okay, this is the input, and here is the summary, and you can actually print and email the result. And then again, here is the summary, and here is the detail year over year, and the pie chart of the loan interest versus principal. Here is the line graph of various balances: total paid, total principal, and total interest. Let's compare two or more loans. This is a simple loan. Let's consider 5-year term and 5% as one loan, and see 4-year term and 4% as another loan. So here is the summary comparing both the loans. Here is the bar graph showing both the monthly payments, and here is a total payment versus total interest. Okay, looks like I forgot to add the interest rate, so let's do that. And now you can see there is a big difference. Okay, lease, car lease, 37,000, base cap cost is 37,000, 2,000, and down payment is 3,000, trading credit is 1,000, other deduction is 1. Residual value is 20%, money factor is 7%, lease term is 30 months, and sales tax 7%, lease payment is $500. Here's the summary. See, it looks like we have to leave that empty. Okay, that's that. And lease versus buy, when that makes sense, 37,000, 5.5-year term, and we will consider the lease. Say base cap cost is 37,000, and money factor is 7%, residual is say 30%. Okay, here's the comparison. And now let us come analyze hybrid break-even point. There are two things we can calculate. One is the fuel price, another is the miles to be driven. Say fuel price is 3.7, purchase price is 37,000 and versus 30,000. Now say rebate is 2,000 and mileage per gallon is 45, is 35, and here miles driven is we need to calculate that. Say the discount rate is 5%, maintenance cost is $1,200 versus $700, and we are considering for 3 years. Okay, that's how many mileages say we need to drive to break even actually. So now let us clear up everything. We need to find out the fuel price. So purchase price is 37,000, and here it is 30,000. Then 2,000 is the tax rebate, 50 and 30. Let's see, mileage driven is 20,000, 1, 2, say 3, and here maintenance cost is 2000 versus 1200, and you say 1. We also need to add a discount rate, 2, 3, and that's the gas price. So now what if analysis? In case you know the three variables: principal, uh, loan term, and interest rate and payment. You can calculate the fourth one. So principal, say 37,000, 5 and 5% is the term. Similarly, say 698.24, we calculate that and say we know this much is the time. Say we have time, we want to calculate the principal, we can also calculate. So as you can see, this is a very useful application for the car buyers, sellers, the ones wishing to go for a car lease, as well as the car dealers. For these and other great applications, please visit businesscompassllc.com. Thank you very much. Good morning. My name is Srivatsa Das. I am the founder of Business Compass LLC. I'm here today to walk you through the functionalities of Home Finance Professional iPhone and iPad mobile application. This application is also available on Android and BlackBerry platforms, and this is a comprehensive application useful to home buyers, sellers, and real estate agents to perform a number of calculations as well as to analyze affordability, amortization, percentage APR, balloon payment, compare loans, calculate closing cost, calculate durations, and find out how much the home owner would qualify, perform what if analysis, say affordability. Here we enter the inputs, say annual income is this much, 100,000, and monthly debt payment is 2,000. Down payment in now dollar amount is 15,000, and tax rate is 2%, and say property insurance is 0.5%, interest rate is 5%, loan term is 30 years, and the PITI or total debt ratio, those are all default 28 and 36%, but you can also change them. So here is the home value 145,000, loan value is 130,000, and there is a down payment at 10%, and loan to value ratio is 89%. Loan amount is this 145,000. PMI need to be paid, and the home value PMI, here are some of the PMI calculations. Amortization, let's see, under 500,000, and down payment is 20%, and closing cost is 17,000. Home insurance is 1,500. Association fee 200 per month. Annual property tax is 15,000, and loan terms is 30 years. And we are say paying twice a month, and we are making $200 extra payment. Okay, here's the input, and then here's the summary. So it's a loan amount, principal interest, total interest, and reduction in years, savings, etc. You can also email the result. You can also print the result. And now say detail. So here is basically the amortization schedule. You can print an email as well. Okay. And then here the pie chart of the principal versus the interest, and then various line graphs of total paid, total principal paid, total interest paid. Now APR, say loan amount is 500,000, loan term is 30 years, interest rate is 5%, points is 1, closing cost is 17,000. So what is the APR? So this is the 5.383. A balloon payment. Suppose 500,000, down payment is 20%, closing cost is 15,000, interest rate is 5%, and 30% is return. Say we are paying optionally $200 and say a month, and here is the balloon point after. So this is the balloon point after 15 years. Loan comparison. We can compare two or more loans. Say we are comparing a loan here, say 5 years, interest rate is 5%. Suppose 6 years, interest rate is 6%, and 7 years, interest rate is 7%. So we added the three loans, and now here is the summary of the loans. And here is the comparison of the loans. And then here the monthly payments comparison. Here is the payment versus total payment versus total interest. And loan cost. Say loan amount is this much, loan term is that, and 5.375. That tells us the closing cost. And now duration. We can say 370000, 20%, closing cost is 15,000, and APR is 5, payment is $3,200 a month, and here's what we say. Here we enter the data points, and we see the duration is 12.83 years. So now qualification. How much loan do we really qualify? Say monthly this much, and the property tax is 1,500, 15,000 per year. Home insurance is $1,500. Debt payment is 2,000. Property is 5,000. Say down payment is 50% available. So this is how much the qualifying income is required. And then what if analysis. So given three variables, the fourth variable is calculated. Say principal is this much, and loan term is 5 years, interest rate is 5%. Here the payment. So payment is 698.24. And in that case, we need to calculate interest rate. So that's what we get. Suppose we have interest rate, we want to calculate the duration, and that's what calculates the duration. Suppose we have both, and then we want to calculate say principal, and we can also calculate principal. So here we see this is a very useful product. Okay. So now going back to the main menu. So this application analyzes a lot of the home finance related calculations and performs a lot of analysis valuable to the home buyer. I hope you find this application to be useful, and please join us at Business Compass LLC to learn more about this. Thank you very much.